In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your delivery or shipping address on Amazon, whether you're looking to update your default address for all future orders or make a change to a specific order, if it's still possible. Let's start with changing your default delivery address on Amazon. First, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. If you haven't done this recently, simply head over to the Amazon website and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email or phone number and follow that up with your password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to Your Account. You can find this option under the drop-down menu where your account name is displayed. Click on it, and among the several options available, select Your Addresses. Sometimes this option might be labeled as Manage Address Book, depending on your account settings. But don't worry, they both lead to the same place. Now that you're in the address panel, you have a couple of options, depending on what you'd like to do. If you need to add a new address, look for a button that says Add Address. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a form where you'll need to fill in all the necessary details. Make sure to enter the full address accurately, including landmarks if possible, as this will ensure smooth and accurate deliveries. After filling out the form, double-check all the details to avoid any potential delivery issues. If you're looking to update an existing address instead, find the address you want to change from the list displayed. Right next to the address, there will be an Edit option. Click on that. You can now make any changes necessary, whether it's correcting a typo, adding a new phone number, or perhaps updating your apartment number. Once you're satisfied with the updates, make sure to click Save to ensure that these changes are recorded. Setting an address as your default is the final step. Why is this important? Well, having a default address set means that this address will be automatically selected whenever you place an order, which can save you time and prevent any mishaps if you frequently ship to different locations. To do this, simply locate the address you want as your default and click on Set as Default beneath it. A small confirmation should appear, indicating the default address has been updated. Starting now, this default address will be your go-to for all new Amazon orders. It's a simple yet essential step, especially if you tend to order on the go. And that's it. Changing your default delivery address on Amazon can make your shopping experience smooth and seamless. If you still have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping on Amazon!